Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select security and location, scroll down, and here you notice fingerprint. Just click on fingerprint scanner, and if you would like to add a fingerprint, just click on next. At first you have to pick some backup that you will have to your fingerprint. It can be either pattern, pin code, or the password. I will choose pattern, click on yes, and now it's time to draw the backup pattern. It can be L letter, and I will draw it again to confirm, and tap on confirm. And now decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or you want to see them at all. I will hide sensitive content, and tap on done. And now you just have to touch the sensor, which is located at the back cover of your screen, and just keep tapping here to add your fingerprint. I will show you the home screen so you can see how it's going on the screen. Once you are putting the fingerprint to the sensor, just keep lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint has been added. Click on done then. And actually that is all. Now you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Smoothly touch the sensor. And as you can see, it has been unlocked. And if you will give your phone to somebody, and he or she will be able to, he will be able to unlock it just with this backup pattern. And this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can add fingerprint to your HTC Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.